So now let us begin with the point, that is supplementary angles. Here we have studied different types of angles. So obtuse angle, we made use of obtuse angle this year, that was while studying interior and exterior angle. Then the next type, like acute angle. Acute angle we have studied while studying adjacent angle, and right angle we have studied while studying about complementary angle. Now we are going to see the next kind of angle. So can you tell me which type of angle is this? First, what did I draw on the board? Yes, I have drawn a line on the board, that is line AB. Now I am taking center of this line as T. So now this is an angle ATB. Now can you tell me the type of this angle? Yes, this is an straight angle. Yeah. So what is the measure of straight angle? Yes, this straight angle always measures 180 degree. I have a line AC. Okay, I will take center or a point on it, that is point B. Now is it angle ABC? Which type of angle it is? Straight angle. What will be its measurement? Of course it will be 180. But at point B I am drawing a ray BD. Okay. Now ray BD is cutting this particular angle in two parts. So we are getting now two angles. One is this side and other is this side. Yes. So what will be the measure of this two angle if you add these two angles? What will be the sum of these two angles? Yes, it will of course be 180 degree, because earlier it was a straight angle. Yeah. And now also it is on this ray BD is on a straight angle, means of course when you will add measure angle DBC plus measure angle DBA, it will be 180 degree. Yes. So the measures of two angles, if it is 180 degree, then such kind of angles are called as supplementary angles. Okay. So what is the definition of supplementary angle? If the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree, they are known as supplementary angle. So there is a short exercise, or we have to solve that sums on page number 26 and page number 27 in your book, in your textbook. So use a protractor, measure the angles, add the angles and write down the answers in that blue box. So now write down the notes about the supplementary angles. Set 17. Write the measures of the supplements of the angles given below. Means 15 degrees one angle. Other angle, children, we don't know, but we know they are supplementary pair, so its addition will be 180. Yes. So we will assume, let the supplementary angle be x degree. Means this is one angle, no? The other angle which is supplementary to this, it will be x. Okay. Means we want to find value of this x. See, we know 15 degree plus this angle we don't know, but we know it is supplementary pair, means it is 180. Okay. So this we have to assume as x. Okay. Means let the supplementary angle be x. Did you understand, children? Means 15 x will be supplementary to 15 degree. So let the supplementary angle be x. Therefore what we will do? 15 plus x is equals to 180 degree. Yeah. Now with x value we have to find out. With x, do you have 15 and is it positive? So if you want to find out value of x. Yes. So we have to remove this 15. Yeah. So opposite to 15 is negative 15. So both the sides we will minus negative 15. So see, first write down LHS as it is. 15 plus x minus 15. X value we want to find out. On other side 180 degree is there, so write it as it is. Here did you give minus 15? So other side also you will give minus 15. 15, 15 goes. So what remains at your LHS? X. 180 minus 15, that is 165 degree. So therefore the measure of the supplement of the angle is 165 degree. Take the next angle, that is 0 degree. One angle is 0 degree, other angle we don't know. Yes, so let the supplementary angle be one of the alphabet we will take. A degree, okay, means one is 0 degree plus other is A. Both of them's measure will be 180. Keep in mind this is not O1, this is 0. Yes, so 0 is one angle, other is A. We have to find value of A. So what we will do when we want to find value of A, other number we will see. What is the other number? 0. It is, we will subtract 0 on both the sides. Yes, 0 plus A minus 0 is equals to 180 minus 0. 0, 0 will go. Therefore, it is A is equals to 180 minus 0 is nothing but 180 degree. Therefore, the measure of the supplement of the angle 0 degree is 180 degree. Okay. So in the previous sum also, last statement we have given, no children, that after angle you can write, what was the angle? 15 degree, no? So after angle you can write 15 degree, make that change, okay? We will solve third sum, that is A degree, okay? Now A degree is the 7th sum in your textbook. I have taken it as third sum. Now we'll, same way we have to solve. So few things I am keeping on board as it is. So A degree is one angle. We have to find out its supplementary angle. Yes. So now it is an alphabet. We also have to assume that also will be alphabet. Okay. So let the supplementary angle be x degree. Okay. So A degree plus x degree is equals to 180 degree. You can write like this. If you don't write degree here, okay. A plus x is equals to 180. Then, so now we have to find value of x, is it? So we have to remove a. So minus a or subtract a on both the side. First write LHS as it is. A plus x, yes. We want to remove this, so it will be minus a. Give on both the side, that is 180 minus a. A and a is going, therefore what is remaining? X is equals to 180 minus a, because we cannot subtract an alphabet from a number, so it remains as it is, that is 180 minus a degree. Therefore, the measure of the supplement of the angle a degree is 180 minus a degree. Now, in question 1, there are total 7 sums, but I have solved 3 sums. These 3 sums and plus remaining 4 sums you have to solve in your CW.